Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 1430 Edgemere Drive on gorgeous Lake Ontario.
This is a spectacular waterfront property, totally updated. So let's take a tour.
This is open waterfront living with a stunning designer kitchen. With beautiful cabinetry, Corian countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a breakfast bar. Open to an expansive dining area with a beadboard ceiling. And a spacious living area with deck access and a gorgeous fireplace with built-ins. All with a powder room, laundry, and scenic lake views. Well, the upstairs features 3 spacious bedrooms, including a waterfront master and an updated full bathroom.
This waterfront home has been totally updated and is turnkey and ready to move in. Enjoy the lake lifestyle with 25 feet of amazing waterfront. From this new expansive Trex deck and break wall with an entertainment-sized concrete patio. Over 985 square feet of outdoor living space. All with panoramic lake views to enjoy the morning sun and breathtaking sunsets. This special section of Edgemere Drive is located on Crescent Beach, nestled between Lake Ontario and beautiful ponds. Waterfront activities are a blast on Lake Ontario. The views are just spectacular.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 1430 Edgemere Drive on gorgeous Lake Ontario.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!